Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious pizza. We're going to start off with our dough, a screen, and a docker. We use this so the dough doesn't rise. You can also use a fork, it doesn't really matter. Then we're going to need some flour, some sauce, and any toppings of your choice. We're going to start by unwrapping our dough and covering our dough with flour. Make sure it's fully covered. Then we're going to start by cupping our dough and start patting it down, as so. Make sure you're spreading it out evenly, and we're just going to start tearing a dough away. Make sure to stretch the sides first, and then we'll start working our way in through the middle. And we're just going to start pulling it apart like so. Then we're going to make sure it's big enough to cover our entire screen. Then we're going to get our docker and start docking our dough. And if you don't have a docker, you can also use your fork and just stab it, like with little tiny holes everywhere. Now we're going to start saucing our pizza to your liking. It doesn't really matter if you like extra sauce, you can go ahead and put extra sauce. Then we're going to start adding our toppings also to your liking. If you want extra cheese, go ahead and put extra cheese. And for this pizza, we just made it pepperoni just because it's our basic. So we're just covering our pizza with pepperoni. After we are done, we're going to go ahead and toss it in our oven for about 10 minutes. Checking on our pizza, it's halfway done. Now that our pizza's finished, we're going to go ahead and grab it off the screen. Now it's time to cut and enjoy our pizza.